अब धावा नहीं ले रहे ये ले रहे
चावी देत होता. टाकले आपण असं ना आणि जसं तुझ्या दोन जण ताब्यात आलो होतो विचारलं कन्फर्म घेतो कौन है नीरज सकाळच्या तुवें ट्रायल बीन दिल्या कोणाक गाडी ओपन करून ना न्हय
Sir, can you tell us कितें exactly जालें आनी कितें
See, at around 12:21 hours, we received a call from the control room that they have got information there is a live bomb placed in Sai service at Porvorim. So we rushed. I rushed with my PI team. At the same time, the ATS also reached within a span of around 4 minutes. The BDDS also reached, the fire staff also reached, all the stakeholders. So the call was initially received by Sai service itself, and then Sai service told the Porvorim police station about it. So the call was transferred to control room. All the stakeholders were informed, and we came here. We checked. The first thing was we moved all the staff of Sai service to safety. They have been moved out. The entire premises has been searched by the team of anti-terrorist squad and the bomb disposal squad. As of now, entire building has been scanned, it's searched, and we have not found anything. So building is safe to occupy as conveyed by ATS. Another sometime they will come.
Sir, was it एक एक पार्ट दिसता आमकां whether it is police officials mock drill or कितें mock drill है or कितें?
It is not a mock.
So it's a real call.
It was a call which was received by Sai service. It was transferred to the police station, and then the call was given to all stakeholders. We have according to the call is genuine. I mean,
call is genuine.
It is not a fake call. It is not a fake call.
So mock drill
it is not a mock drill. It is not a mock drill at all.
It's a real call.
It was identified. Yes, the caller has been identified. Okay. And whatever is the procedure of further action will be done later.
Sir, आज आमी पळयलें की तुमी तुमचे ऑफिशियल्स ATS फायर सगळे ऑन बोर्ड आशिल्ले. So how when such circumstances arrive, how you all are prepared for all this? How soon?
See, as we have seen now, we are prepared for anything. We have rushed immediately. It's not that we are taking every call seriously. Whatever is the call, we don't have even a slightest of the doubt. We don't doubt any call. So as and when we receive any calls, we rush to the spot because it is our primary responsibility to verify the call and take action on it.
How serious action would be taken on this? Whoever has been identified, what actions?
As of now, the call came. We have attended the call. We haven't found anything. Whatever is due course of action will follow.
Complaint would be filed, I think.
I cannot. I'm not in a position to.
But actions would be taken as per law.
Whatever action is required to be taken in this matter will be initiated.
So now, is the building safer for these workers, employees to work here now?
ATS has said, and they have certified that the building is safe enough to be occupied. So the staff will occupy it.
तुमचं नाव कितें सर?
माझे नाव मनोज महाले.
मनोज बाब कितें जालें एक्झॅक्टली तुमकां कॉल कितल्यांक येयला आनी कितें जालें?
आमकां कितें जालें अरावंड 11 o'clock. 11 o'clock आमकां फर्स्ट कॉल आयलो आनी ही वॉज स्पीकिंग इन इंग्लीश and he said that there is a bomb in your office, so all of you get out. Urgently all of you get out. So my receptionist said that she thought that somebody is joking. So and then he disconnected. So again at 11:20 another call came saying that there is a bomb inside and the bomb squad and other forces are coming. So everybody of you please get out. And then he kept the phone down. First time the call came, he said that I'm not joking and I'm not mad, but this is a real call. So you please be careful. The next sound that you are going to hear will be something big blast. This is what he said. And then he kept the phone down.
So what next you all do?
So we immediately informed the Roaring police. Also we simultaneously informed Panjim police. And we told them that this is what we have received and we have sent the number to them. So they said no problem, they will come. So immediately, it was very quick action by the police force and local police also. Immediately they rushed here with all the ATS and everybody, with the dog squad, ATS. And they searched the whole premises for us, including the terrace, all our workshops, including the office. Now everything is safe, that is what they are saying. So we are relieved. And it's thanks.
So you all are satisfied?
We are satisfied and thank you to the police force. Thank you. Your name?
तुमचे नाव किती आहे?
Manoj Mahavi. I am the senior HR manager.
ओके मनोज महाले.